So today we are discussing about the sections of Companies Act 2013. Section 1. Section first is saying about the applicability of this act. Section 2 defines the definition of this act. Section 2 subsection 5 is saying the articles of association. Section 2 subsection 6 for the associate company. Section 2 subsection 8 for authorized capital. Section 2 subsection 9 for banking companies. Section 2 subsection 11 body corporate. Section 2 subsection 15 called up capital. Section 2 subsection 17 chartered company, chartered accountant. Section 2 subsection 20 saying about the company. Section 2 subsection 21 company limited by guarantee. Section 2 subsection 22 company limited by share. Section 2 subsection 28 subsection 41 financial year. Section 2 subsection 41 saying about the foreign companies. Section 2 subsection 41 for government company. And then Section 2 subsection 46 for holding company. Section 2 subsection 50 for issued capital. Section 2 subsection 52 for listed company. Section 2 subsection 56 for memorandum of association. Section 2 subsection 64 1% company. Section 2 subsection 64 paid up capital. Section 2 subsection 68 private company. Section 2 subsection 71 public company. Section 2 subsection 72 public financial institution. Section 2 subsection 84 for shares. Section 2 subsection 84 for small company. Section 2 subsection 86 for subscribed capital. Section 2 subsection 87 for subsidiary company. Section 2 subsection 92 for unlimited company. Section 3 formation of company. Section 4 memorandum. Section 5 articles of association. In Section 7 for Section 7 incorporation of company. Section 8 a company formed for a charitable act. Section 9 effect of registration. Section 10 effect of memorandum of association and articles. Section 43 kinds of shares. Section 447 punishment for fraud. Section 455 dormant company.